This challenge is called picobrowser. It's a medium-level challenge from the web exploitation category from the picoCTF 2019 event. The description says, this website can be rendered only by picobrowser. Go and catch the flag. And then there is a link that leads to the website in question. All we need to do is right-click on this link and put it in a new tab. And then we can take a look at the website. So on the website here, there is a button labeled flag that's very tempting, so we can click on it. And it says, "You're not picobrowser." And then it gives us a web browser type that we're currently using. So what we can do is go over to our web shell, and we can use curl to retrieve the web page, but we can also supply a user agent. So the web page is looking specifically for the picobrowser web browser as the agent in this case. So we can give the curl command. So we're going to make that very verbose, and then we're going to supply a user agent with -A. And we're going to make this picobrowser, and we also need to supply the URL. So the URL is over here. And this is the endpoint we're trying to look for with the flag. So we're going to copy that. And then on the web shell, we're going to paste in the address. And then we're going to hit enter to send the command. Okay, so in the response, okay, we have a 200 OK, and we have all the code for the website. And inside the code, we have this flag right here, picoCTF, pico secret agent. So what we can do is we can just highlight the flag, and then copy it. Go back to the challenge description. And then in the challenge description, we're going to paste in the flag in the flag submission field and click on Submit Flag. And then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.